Well, I didn't bring a tent with me, so I'm looking for places to build a shelter tonight. Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and it is a beautiful, cold fall day here in Alaska. I'm building bushcraft shelters, watching the northern lights, cooking amazing food, and having a great time. Moose print right there. The whole place stinks of rotten salmon. It's a smell I associate with the fall. Wherever there's salmon, there's usually bears. There's lots of salmon on the beach. Well, I didn't bring a tent with me, so I'm looking for places to build a shelter tonight. Oh, look at that. It's a small black bear print. That's his front pad right there. There's his toes and his claws. See this? That's a bald eagle print right there. You can see his talons. You see he walked all over here. It's a wolf print. He went down here, then came back. The print of a little fox right there. A couple coyote prints. Right there. That right there and there. All the animals are walking the beach looking for salmon. Nothing but stinking fish now though. Oh. I see a few spots that could work as shelters in a pinch, but I'm gonna keep looking. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad spot to get out of the rain. I'm kind of liking this spot. There's lots of wood around for fire and building materials.